In 2026, information is no longer scarce. It is infinite.
Every hour, markets shift. New models launch. Regulations change. Industries reorganize. And most professionals are overwhelmed. We are not suffering from a lack of knowledge. We are suffering from attention scarcity. The modern analyst does not lack intelligence. They lack filtration.
They wake up already behind. They scroll. They bookmark. They save.
They intend to read later, but later never arrives. The noise compounds. The signal disappears. The human-AI collaborative mind does not attempt to consume the noise. It does not try to outread the internet.
It builds a filter. This is the fundamental shift.
Traditional research asks, what should I read today?
Autonomous research asks, what should be allowed through? That difference changes everything.
Because when information becomes infinite, selection becomes power.
Case File 005 introduces the autonomous research loop. A recursive system, a continuous cycle, a machine-assisted intelligence process that runs whether I am present or not. Here is how it works. Step 1. Frontier scanning.
Advanced models like Google DeepMind's Gemini ecosystem monitor developments across research papers, product releases,
Policy updates, earnings calls, and technical documentation. Not casually, continuously. Step 2. Pattern extraction. Systems such as OpenAI's ChatGPT analyze emerging themes.
Not summaries. Patterns. Contradictions. Acceleration points. Hidden convergence.
Step 3. Human intent. This is where most people misunderstand the system.
The machine does not decide what matters. I do. I define the lens. Market entry, AI infrastructure, regulatory arbitrage, software 3.0 adoption curves.
Intent directs the loop. Without intent, AI is noise amplification.
With intent, AI becomes leverage.
Most professionals still operate in search mode. They type queries. They scan results. They assemble fragments manually. Search is linear. Synthesis is exponential. In the autonomous research loop, I do not ask, what happened? I ask, what changed? And instead of receiving 10 links, I receive structural movement.
For example, if 3 startups pivot toward edge AI deployment, if 2 governments introduce similar AI transparency rules,
if infrastructure costs drop in parallel, that is not coincidence, that is trajectory.
Search gives you events. Synthesis gives you direction.
traditional research is exhausting. It requires constant reading, constant updating, constant vigilance. It is human intensive, and humans fatigue. Bias increases under fatigue. Errors multiply.
Important signals are missed. Autonomous research eliminates the exhaustion layer.
The loop runs continuously. It does not get distracted. It does not doom scroll. It does not panic.
It processes. It filters. It compresses.
Months of market evolution become hours of structured insight. This is leverage.
Output divided by effort. When effort remains stable and output increases. You have entered infinite scale.
In previous decades, this level of research required teams, analysts, associates, interns, consultants, briefings, reports, delays. Today, a staff of 0 can rival institutional output, not because AI replaces expertise, but because AI amplifies structured expertise. The human-AI collaborative mind is not automation. It is orchestration.
The models provide computational horsepower. The architect provides judgment, context,
Governance. Risk calibration. Remove the human and you get hallucination. Remove the machine and you get exhaustion. Together, you get asymmetry.
In 2026, speed alone is meaningless. Everyone has fast tools. Everyone has access to frontier models.
Speed is commoditized. Synthesis is rare. The edge no longer belongs to whoever moves first. It belongs to whoever understands structure first. Autonomous research reveals structure. It shows which trend is durable, which spike is temporary,
Which narrative is manufactured? Which signal is compounding? When you understand structure, you do not chase momentum.
You position before visibility. Earlier case files focused on safety, verification, hallucination mitigation, governance protocols. Those were necessary foundations. Case file 005 marks the transition.
From safety to infinite leverage. Because once your system is reliable, you can scale it. The autonomous research loop is not defensive. It is offensive. It allows proactive positioning.
It enables market anticipation. It compresses uncertainty.
Information is no longer the advantage. Access is no longer the advantage. Even intelligence is no longer rare.
The advantage is filtration. The advantage is synthesis. The advantage is intent applied at scale.
The autonomous research loop ensures that I do not drown in the noise of 2026.
It ensures that evolution is observed in real time. It ensures that insight compounds.
Speed is common. Structure is rare. We have secured the signal. Case file 005. Autonomous research. Synthesis complete. Archive updated.